Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new macrame plant hanger tutorial to share with you. I decided to make it very simple so that it is suitable for beginners to follow and practice. But the result is so amazing, you can turn it into a special decoration to add plants in your home. To make this macrame, you just need to prepare 24 meters of 4mm cotton rope. The length of this plant hanger is 70 centimeters. It can be shorter when you put any pots in. Let's get started. You cut the cords like I share in the screen. First step, you use 5 cords, 2.8 meters long, fold them in half and put on a hook. Next, you use 1 cord, 3.7 meters long, fold in the ratio 1.4 per 2.3 and then you tie a lark's head knot to attach it to these cords, so that the shorter end of the cord will be on the left and the longer end will be on the right. The first lark's head knot will be located about 6 centimeters from the center point of these cords. Next, you use the longer end to tie about 9 to 10 lark's head knots. When you're done, you have a piece like this. Next step, you tie double half hitch with all the cords of the sides. Let's start with the left side first. Choose 1 cord of them to make a holding cord, then you use the remaining cords to tie the double half hitch, so that the cords cover the holding cord and form a diagonal. Please kindly note, when you tie the double half hitch from the left to the right, the cords will be tied counterclockwise, and from the right to the left will be tied clockwise. Repeat the same process with the right side. Please note, the cords will be tied clockwise. Next, you use 2 cords, 2.4 meters long, fold them in half and then you attach 1 for the left and 1 for the right. You tie reverse lark's head knot to attach them. Next, you tie the second diagonal. The first double half hitch knot of the second row will be about 1 to 1.5 centimeter from the first diagonal. The closer to the center, the knots of the top and bottom rows get them more closer together. You connect the two diagonals of the sides by tying a half of the double half hitch knot. Do the same with the right side. Do the same to create the third diagonal for the two sides. You create one more similar pattern for this part. You tie a row of square knot. The distance from the last pattern to the square knots is about 18 to 20 centimeters. Next, you take the two outermost cords of the two sides and tie square knot to connect them together. Then you tie the square knots with the remaining cords. These knots create a cradle to hold pots. Next, you tie 4 more square knots at the under each square knot. Then you pass the 2 middle cords up and tie 1 more square knot to fix, so you have created a button square knot. Repeat the process with the remaining cords. Last step, you use 1 cord, 1 meter long. Fold one end of the cord to make a loop. Then you put the loop at the bottom and use the longer end to wrap around the loop. Cover all the cords. Please note, wrap evenly and firmly. Next, you pass the wrapping end to the loop and pull the other end as strong as possible to bring them inside. Cut off the excess cords. This is our finished macrame plant hanger. It can hold many pots from 10 to 15 centimeters in diameter. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please a quick like, comment, and subscribe really does help my channel out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.